Tech is very important in any portfolio right now. We're long a lot of tech names, but trade tensions and the global negative yielding debt is dominating the market, which is causing the Fed to take action, which is having that vortex effect back on the market. So at this point, the investor base case should be that trade tensions will last for a while. And this global negative yielding debt that's causing the Fed to have to be more accommodative is going to be there for even longer. So that'll cause investors to move into companies like tech that will have moats around their business, recurring revenue, stable cash flow, and most important, returning capital to shareholders.
So some of these big tech names can get back to their highs because with the exception of Alphabet, most are incredibly far below their high levels.
Yeah, because when you're in a low interest rate environment and a negative interest rate environment, and you've got a company like Apple that's returning 7% a year to shareholders, and you have other companies that are paying dividends and their stable and free cash flow is rising, that's where investors are going to have to include portions of that in their portfolio.
Yeah. Brenda, how do you see it?
Yeah, I agree that, there's been this huge flock to safety and to yield. And so that's meant that a lot of the consumer staples groups and things like that have done better. But I think investors will turn back to technology, especially those companies that have a high degree of recurring revenue, a lot of stability into their business, and therefore a lot of visibility into what is coming down the pike next year. But I don't think that we're going to get some resolution to trade. I think China has tried to position themselves as being the adult in the room many times throughout this trade tension back and forth. But there's a very important meeting coming up on October 1st where President Xi is going to address the country as part of the celebration of the 70th year of People's Republic of China. So I don't think he's going to want to look weak during that moment. So I don't think China is going to back down until then, and maybe not after either.